Practice steering hand over hand to the right and to the left. Now just driving straight, this is how you hold your steering wheel at the 9 and 3 position. But if you need to steer to the right or to the left, it should be done using the hand over hand technique. So here we go. We're steering to the right, so hand over hand all the way to the end. When you get to the end, you do not tighten the wheel, you back off and you hold the wheel at the top half. That's what you should be doing. So it's hand over hand to the left. Now, we're steering to the left, hand over hand all the way to the left. When you get to the end of the steering, then you back off. Do not practice to bang your wheel when you're steering. You do a lot of damage to the front end of your car by doing that. Again, hand over hand steering. Of course, I have my foot on the brake because you don't need any acceleration. This is a slow process. You're just learning how to steer properly. Now we're recovering to the left. Hand over hand steering. Notice my hand does not get down here or inside the wheel. It's always on the top half. No matter how the wheel looks, top half. That's it. You don't get your hands down there. Now we all know that when you get your license, you're going to be driving with one hand, one finger, maybe your knees. But no, you should not be doing that. Now, hand over hand, nice and easy, all the way to the right. When you get to the end, hand over hand to the left, all the way. You see, it gives you a lot more control. So, right now I'm just going to demonstrate how cool it is when you know how to steer properly. Okay, we're going to go to the left. So you signal to the left, hand over hand steering, and then you wait for the car to go to where you need to be, then hand over hand steering. You do not allow the wheel to go back on its own. You should put it there. Now let's park, put the front in on the left in the very last parking space on the left. So you signal. When the front of your vehicle is in the very lane you need to get into, just look over your left shoulder because you're parking on the left, and here it is, hand over hand steering. Then you just wait for the car to do the job. Once the car is straight in the lane, you momentarily stop, then hand over hand, it looks like the face of a clock, hand over hand to the right again. Looks like the face of a clock. That means the car is straight, the wheel is straight, and then you inch into your parking space. And that's it. So that's how you should be steering your vehicle as you drive. Now let me do it once more. Hand over hand steering all the way to the left. Hand over hand steering all the way to the right. And that should be enough for you to practice on your own. That's it. Hand over hand steering, or it's also called figure 8 turns. That's it.